In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem mail rewards here in the Division Resurgence. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is open up your menu and you need to go ahead and make your way over to your inbox. To do this, you select the little icon up in the top right, and then you go to this little inbox section right here, select it, and this is going to be all of your different rewards that you might have in here. It'll tell you to claim them from your stash itself, so just keep that in mind. Just hit go to stash. It's going to show you exactly on the map where the stash is. You can hit track if you want it to guide you exactly to that location. But essentially what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to that stash. And we'll go ahead and head there right now, right? The stash itself is where you're going to redeem all of these rewards. So if you make your way there, you just have to hit the little interact button just like so. And you'll see, packages, important packages. Go ahead and select this and then hit claim. And then of course hit claim again on all your stuff. And you'll get all of those rewards. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.